There we go. Let's get it on tracking me so it's kind of in the right spot. Nearly had catastrophe with my drone. Must have caught an overhanging branch or something on the waterfall. I didn't see it as I was heading up. It doesn't have the object avoidance on it, so it crashed, but it didn't crash into the water, so it's fine. I did have to climb a waterfall to go get it though. Oh well, that's the adrenaline for the day done. It wasn't too bad, but it was interesting going to get the drone. So I got to try out the locate my drone feature. Nice little drone. I mean, there's moments I go, oh, I wish it was slightly better, but it's fine. Some more walkers in front of me. Look like they've got quite a good pack. Someone in there, probably camping out.